Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through setting up your Dreo Smart Humidifier with the Dreo app that's available for iOS and Android devices. If you're interested in this particular smart humidifier, the link to it will be in the video description. First things first, we're in the Dreo app right here. We got to hit the plus icon in the top right hand corner. It's going to scan for nearby devices to add, and sure enough, here it is. It's the HM512S or HM612S. We're going to select that. You also might notice the model number is HHM002S. So that's the one that we have right here. So we need to press and hold our Wi-Fi button here. That's going to be the timer for 5 seconds. It even counts down for us. How fancy. Boom, it beeped. Wi-Fi is blinking. Now we can go to the next step where we need to connect to our local Wi-Fi network. Please make sure you're connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network in order for this to work. So go ahead, select connect. Now it's going to work on connecting to our device. All right, that took less than like 20 seconds for it to connect. We're going to name this Humidifier 02. Select done. Firmware update. Let's go ahead. Let's update that now. Here it is. Let's update the firmware. All right, the firmware has successfully updated. It's going to take you a couple of minutes. Then we can hit done. Now we can go back. And there we go. Our device has successfully been added. And now you can start using it with your smartphone.